Hey there! Today we're delving into an interesting problem regarding the SFINAE-friendliness of std-expected operator equals. The issue arises when types within the std-expected are not equality comparable, leading to a hard error in the program. We explore this hiccup with a simple assertion using std-equality_comparable, which unfortunately fails on MSVC and Clang with lib++, and triggers a hard error on Clang with MSVC-STL. But why exactly is this operator not SFINAE-friendly, you might wonder? In finding a solution to this quirk, it seems that the lack of SFINAE-friendliness in std-expected was merely an oversight. Similar library types like std, pair, std, tuple, std, optional, and std variant also faced this issue until they were rectified with P2944/3. This paper addressed the SFINAE-friendliness oversight, making sure that not meeting certain conditions would result in non-participation in overload resolution rather than a hard error. It's worth noting that this change was likely unintentional, and it's possible that std-expected suffered from the same forgetfulness. To wrap things up, it seems like the lack of SFINAE-friendliness in std-expected operator equals is a historical oversight that can be rectified, keeping up with the progress made for other similar library types. It's hopeful that a future update might address this issue. With that said, if you enjoyed diving into this intriguing aspect of C++, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a witty comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.